Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to back up recovery phrases on Bitcoin.com wallet app. To back up your recovery phrases on Bitcoin.com, first of all, launch open the Bitcoin.com app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once you get to the home screen of your wallet, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside settings, tap on backup and security. You can now enable cloud backup by toggling on the button right next to cloud backup and continue with iCloud or continue with your Google Drive. To manually back up your wallet, tap on manual backup and select your wallet that you want to back up. Now, your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen. Write down these phrases in a piece of paper and store it somewhere safe, where no one will be able to access them or damage them. After you've write down and backed up your phrases, you can get back, and that way, your recovery phrases will be backed up for a specific wallet. Your recovery phrases is the only way to recover your wallet and access your funds if you lose or damage your device. If someone else gets access to your recovery phrases, they can steal your funds, so it's crucial to keep it in a safe and a secure area. So that's how you back up your recovery phrases on Bitcoin.com app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.